Hello, my name's Emma, and I'm looking forward to facilitating your natural birth homeopathic remedies and homeopathic birthing kit for pregnancy, labour and birth. So my background is naturopathic and homeopathic practitioner, and I am a birth doula and LeMay's certified childbirth educator, and I've worked with women and families for many years. So I'm excited to finally be able to present this course, and what you will learn about is lesson 1 is learning about the top 3 remedies for a homeopathic birthing kit, and then you will learn about the general homeopathic and natural remedies for a healthy pregnancy, labour and birth, and you'll also learn about the remedies that are specifically used for surgical and instrumental births, such as cesarean and ventouse or forceps birth. However, in general, this course does have more information about the normal and healthy pregnancy, labour and birth. The course will be completed by a calm birth relaxation that you can do during pregnancy, labour and birth, and that can help you to relax even further. And so good luck with your pregnancy, labour and birth, and I look forward to seeing you for this workshop. Thank you.